So well, we are preparing the engine. Quite exciting day after a long work. So we have a lot of the things of the suspension already installed. Some stuff also need to arrive, and because you know, with all this amount of parts, at least you always miss a little rubber or something. So actually we ordered yesterday. So now we're gonna fit the engine in. So it's quite delicate, but we have the engine bay totally naked now, so actually it's for starting fitting all the tubes, see where we're gonna install the AC, because this car is gonna fit an AC inside, and we need to figure out how we do the design of the engine bay. And well, I mean, keep in tune and we continue watching the video. Jo estic tocant. Disassembling some of the stuff of the engine, because this engine came prepared. We have also air condition, as you could see. We wanted to fit it all inside and see if we could do it. So actually we had to stop, we had to give a little bit of inclination over there. And yeah, I mean, we are now trying to figure out how we're gonna fit also the radiator. And yeah, I mean, we had to disassemble this part, so it's kind of getting a little bit in troubles, but we're gonna try to solve it as soon as possible, because when you do different things that are not going as they were originally, you find tough stuff. So well, we continue doing. You will keep seeing on the video that we will fit the gearbox also to see how we balance the engine, and once we have the balanced engine, then we will fit here as it goes 3 to 4 millimeters with the radiator, as we also have to fit other elements for the air condition. And yeah, I mean, we keep working on that and seeing how we solve all these problems. Cheers. So we are about finishing to fit the gearbox in, and well, now it's in. Now we're gonna start fitting all the bolts to fit it together with the engine, and well, it's not been easy as always. So, well, here we are. Actually, I think that we said that it was gonna be easy. It will not. So we have everything. We had everything ready, and now we realized that we had to modify some of the parts of the body. They are not structural parts, as you can see. They were the old radiator guides to fit it in. But as we have to put the air condition and all the system, we didn't have enough gap in the front. So and you will maybe think, why you guys are doing that with the engine in and the gearbox? Because we had to calculate the space from the pulley that we have here. Let me show you. So from this pulley, that it's going really, to the front. So we had to calculate to have a gap between the radiator and the pulley. So then we had to reduce this 5 millimeters from here, also the one here in the top, and now we are continuing removing here. We will need to modify here also inside to fit all the tubes. And well, just to keep you updated, as not all the projects are super mega cool and fitted everything, so you need to do modifications, and this hard work sometimes you cannot see. And we wanted also to record, to show what we're doing and the hard work that we are doing here. It's Monday morning and we are kicking hard at well, so we will continue. We will show you how it will finish. We had this interior painted already, but as the car has to be painted outside, we will try to organize to have this also repainted and redo as original and our way, so the best way possible. So keep in tune, we continue doing stuff, and thank you very much for watching us. Aproximadament, seria això.
I aquest vindria aquí.
Sí.
Aquest vindria aquí.
Jo puc fer un suport, es pot pensar en fer un suport a la base, que és més dura, i així no carreguem tant a la xapa, perquè vulguis o no, la xapa i a aquesta distància fotrà una força i ple d'oli.
A la base hi ha de ser-hi.
Sí.
I després aquí hi ha d'haver-hi un altre.
Un tirant almenys perquè no es mogui, però el fort hauria de ser a la base.
Exactament.
O sigui, el suport de carrosseria, fer-lo una L de xapa i ja està.
Sí,
El que podem fer és una U amb ferro i la mateixa U fer-la...
Empanar-lo amb material d'aquell.
Exacte.
Bueno.
Si tu poses aquí un ceiling block que t'ompli tota la U, està suportant tot el pes la U.
no una L aquí i una altra L aquí. O sigui, així, però ha de ser una peça compacta, que tu puguis posar això aquí. I que tot això sigui un cos.
Exacte, un llit que sí, o sigui, un llit de ferro i entremig un de ceiling block perquè t'amortigui.
No, ens hem trobat el problema de que al radiador de l'oli, aquest radiador d'aigua no porta un suport, llavors hem tingut que fer una miqueta de disseny.
Una base per
poder-ho fer. I ara ja tenim el dibuix fet, que passa que ara faré un sketch amb la impressora 3D i doncs el tinc aquí, aquí el... Jo així ja la tindria. Voldríem fer això amb una xapa, perquè d'aquí voldríem soldar-ho el que és el xassis per poder tenir el suport per posar-lo...
Una sola peça, per això.
Sí, exacte. Sí.
Vull dir, si després pel radi queda la...
No, al marge no passa res, perquè jo a sobre li faré un ceiling block de goma, una màquina. Llavors, si a més de 113 queda 114 amb 2 o 112 amb 8, no passa res.
O sigui, la base
va aquí, sí, exacte. Saps? Aquí. Perquè aquí els tubos ens en vagin cap a... Llavors, clar, és la base perquè ens acolli aquesta part d'aquí.
Els forats aquells són...
Aquests són aquests.
Vale.
Això és el radiador, aquest és el condensador de l'aire condicionat, que inclús hem fet estem ara fent uns tacos de goma amb la màquina per poder ficar a l'altre ventilador.
Afegir de toque, clar.
Sí, sí. Veus? El taco aquest, que estem adaptant aquí.
Això és per amortiguar.
Això és per amortiguar perquè el ventilador aquí sobre, veus? Estem fent a les... Well, so last design that we are doing. So here you can see we did, well, for sure you will see it in the before video, before my speech. Actually, we did the design well, for the holder of the oil radiator. Also, we're doing some gaskets, as you can see, and some rubbers things to make between the suppers that we are creating. These other ones that we are designing now is just to fit between the bolts that we did into the car, so you don't see the bare bolts, so everything will be covered, so all one piece. And yeah, I mean, as we are designing and making this car unique in the world, and it actually really enjoy us and make us encourage us to do more stuff. I wanted to at least explain what we were doing here, designing, and with a lot of people, and checking what we are doing with the 3D printing. So yeah, I mean, we continue doing. Next week we will have all the underneath mechanics all done, and the radiators everything fixed. And yeah, I mean, we will do the last paint stuff ongoing, so we keep working the car. It's not easy, we continue, but as always, really passionate. We really like what we do. So thank you very much, and we continue.